Welcome to our guide on getting started with Lumen5, a powerful video creation platform. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of creating engaging videos effortlessly. Begin by signing up on the Lumen5 website. Once registered, log into your account to access the platform's features. Click on Create Video to start a new project. Choose a template that suits your content or create a video from scratch. Enter the text you want to turn into a video. Lumen5 uses artificial intelligence to analyze and match your text with relevant visuals. Enhance your video by customizing visuals, such as choosing background images, adjusting colors, and selecting relevant scenes to accompany your text. Elevate your video's impact by adding background music. Lumen5 offers a variety of tracks to choose from, ensuring your video sets the right tone. Once satisfied with your video, proceed to finalize the project. You can export the video in various formats suitable for different platforms. Congratulations! You've successfully created a video using Lumen5. Experiment with different features to discover the full potential of this user-friendly tool. Start creating compelling videos with Lumen5 today and elevate your content to new heights. Happy video making!